No, don't mess with the controls.
Oh, sorry.
Please.
Okay.
This is the throttle.
Usually there's a
Okay.
dipstick up on top somewhere. Oh, okay.
This is the gear shift.
So the
Right now it's set in neutral. But it would be all the way down there when you were starting and forward.
And,
all right.
yeah,
So what you do
pump the fuel.
is you start moving it back. It's like being in a car with a lot of different gears.
Okay.
And you give it gas.
That's what the throttle is.
Yeah, that's what the throttle's for.
Well, we on
This is what's called a train brake. So no, every car in your train has air brakes.
Remember what happened on May 10th?
Yeah,
Right?
you were correct.
Test?
So this will operate the air brake system on everything.
1869.
Okay?
Okay.
So if you're stopping a train, you're going to be using a train brake. This is the engine brake. So if you're running light and the only brakes you have are the brakes on the engine, this is what you're going to use.
58. Oh, I was 51. Okay. Yeah, so I can easily do
All right.
that day. So
Yes.
now you know what you're saying.
I see.
I know you're going to ask
Yeah,
me something.
yeah, exactly.
When this locomotive is
I went to
parked inside a roundhouse,
bicentennial
are like the brakes holding it in place, or are there like blocks underneath the wheels holding
Well,
it in place?
there's little blocks. There's little chains under there.
They do the reenactment.
However, unless you're Charles Atlas, you're not going to push this train anywhere.
The track doesn't go there anymore, but they did put.
You're talking 500 plus tons
And it
or
was a big
600
political
tons on
deal.
this.
They had all these politicians there.
Yeah, I
It was
see.
there. It was just a
How
wild.
we move it around, we move it around with a switcher.
Yeah.
We don't start the engine because it takes 3 to 4 days to start an engine like this.
And
That's long. I thought it would take a couple of hours.
No,
transportation.
that engine will start
Yeah.
in about 3 to 5 hours. Number 2. This one takes
My wife
days
was standing there.
because you got to have
She walked right by,
265
where
pounds
she was. It was like
per
all
square
hot,
inch
you know,
in the
it's like
boiler.
super hot, and she's all like sweaty and
And the
makeup's
4449,
running. I know, it's-
It's 300 pounds per square inch in the boiler.
Oh my God! I never realized that.
It's a big boiler, okay?
But it was fun.
You got to boil a lot of water, a lot of steam.
That was a
Steam
combination
has to be
of the-
really hot.
There was a group, the Southern
Now I
Pacific
wonder how long it took to
Society and the Union
get
Pacific
3985 up to steam when it was still in service.
Well, the 4014,
lectures,
that's-
talks about the two railroads.
They just never let them go cold. In the old days, they never let them go cold because it took too long to start.
And there were people that worked there that actually
They kept them
knew
warm all the
story.
time or running all the
So
time,
it was interesting
unless they were
hear
going to do
that.
major
And
maintenance.
so what had happened was the Union Pacific was being very successful and making a lot of money.
Does that make
Southern
sense?
Yes,
Pacific
that
made
makes
a lot of
sense.
bad
Okay.
business decisions.
So basically, the bigger the locomotive, the longer it's
Did
going
not
to take to
invest in
start it up.
infrastructure,
Right.
And because of that, they were not able to take advantage.
It's about the size of the boiler
chemical
and about the
industry that they had
pounds
in
per
the
square
South.
inch on the
They
boiler.
couldn't get trains
Like that one's got a relatively small boiler, the number 2, and it's running at about 125 pounds per square inch.
Giant.
So it doesn't
So
take as
they
long,
merged the two
anywhere near
railroads,
as long,
and
to
the
get
UP
that one
was
up
able
in
to take
steam
the loss of
as
the
it takes
SP
this to get up
and
in
work it
steam.
against their gain, so they didn't have to pay any tax.
All right, and also I know that is most likely the throttle, but what's this?
And then
I'm better on the
It's a
cab of the
merger,
4449.
okay, but
This
they
is the first
renamed
time we've ever
Southern
had the
Pacific
700
Union
cab.
Pacific. No, nobody liked this.
Never realized that.
But
Right, so-
you know, it was one of those accountants